Ever notice how some people sleep 5 hours and wake up sharp, while you sleep 8 and still feel exhausted? The difference isn't how long they sleep, it's how they sleep. Your brain doesn't count hours, it tracks sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes, and the two that matter most are deep sleep, where your body repairs itself, and REM sleep, where your brain resets, stores memories, and boosts creativity. If you hit these stages cleanly, 5 to 6 hours can feel incredible. But if your sleep is broken by stress, screens, or caffeine, you wake up tired no matter how long you were in bed. That's why consistency matters more than sleeping in. Going to bed and waking up at the same time trains your circadian rhythm, your internal clock. Do this consistently, and your brain releases sleep hormones on schedule, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up fresher. Here's a rule that changes everything. Sleep in 90-minute blocks. Waking up mid-cycle causes that heavy, groggy feeling. Waking up at the end of a cycle helps your brain switch smoothly into alert mode. Try 4.5, 6, or 7.5 hours instead of random numbers. Before bed, power down properly. No heavy food 3 hours before. No work 2 hours before. No screens 1 hour before. This tells your nervous system it's safe to rest. Then in the morning, get sunlight immediately. 10 minutes outside resets your brain and boosts natural energy. No caffeine needed. Add quick movement or cold water and your brain switches fully online. Sleep isn't weakness, it's recovery. Don't sleep more, sleep smarter.